Codeacademy is great, but you have to go through another step to make these into real websites. The first step is you have to have a plain text editor, Notepad or TextEdit. There's other options too, but this is a text editor that doesn't have any formatting to it. Do not use Microsoft Word. It'll mess stuff up. Then the second step is just basically using CyberDuck. You want to create a folder, put your projects in it, and then move that folder over to your people.image.edu account. This is what it looks like. Okay, so I have my Codeacademy page here, and what I'm doing is opening up TextEdit. That's the program on my computer. You'll notice that I'm checking under the preferences and making sure that it's just plain text, not rich text, and not wrapped to page. Okay, so I have my text editor over here, and what I'm doing is going into the exercise that I finished, the project build your own web page. And if you go look at that, you can click on that little tab there and go all the way to the end, because that's the finished web page. Now what you do is you select all of that text and then you copy it, okay? And then you go back to your text editor and paste it. Again, it would work the same way if you're using Notepad. Then when it comes to saving it, you save it, and you want to keep track of where you're saving it. So the first thing I'm going to do here is navigate on my computer to the right folder. So I'd go to desktop and find my 444 folder. Where you save it is up to you. And then the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm going to call it, you can kind of see it on the side there, I'm going to call it Project 1. And then save it. So now I can save this file, this folder. Now I'm going to save the file, and I'm going to call it as index.html. So I'm going to get rid of that .txt and replace it with .html. And it's index.html, Unicode format is fine. That's what you have to save all the home pages for projects as, okay? Okay, so then what I do is I get into CyberDuck, and I go back into CyberDuck and I log in just like I did before, SFTP, people.image.edu, my username, my password, and I hit connect, and now I have my 444 directory there. And what I want to do is open up this 444 directory and see that thing where it says Project 1, and just shift that right into that space, which is inside the 444 page. So in other words, I have a folder inside of a folder, okay? And now it's there up on the server. So now what I can do is go to back to my web browser. I type in the URL from my website, people.image.edu/skrause, and then just go directly to that place, 444, and then you'll notice there's another slash. That means another folder, and I gotta spell project, right? And I spell project 1, hit return, there it is.